ladies and gentlemen. Let me introduce myself to you. I'm Hillary Chalmers the first. This is me humble assistant, Hillary number 2. Say hello, number 2, to the camera. Yes, that's right. Yes, and the tassels as well. Yes, that's right. So we're coming to your screen today via the Klanka web and the Klanka channel that we've just established here to bring you a selection of our fine cures.
What's a cure?
The cures, yes. We have many cures, as you can see, ladies and gentlemen. We also have a lovely compendium of cures. Yes, the compendium. Complete with a little bit more tassel. We like a bit of tassel, don't we? Yes, lovely stuff. But to access something as great as the compendium, what you need is a set of cards like these. A Klankadeck. Yes, delights such as ginger root. Yes. Buttons. Yeah, apparently buttons is a cure. If you carry one in the palm of your hand, it can help you breathing in courage. Restraint. Who would have thought of that? Encouraging restraint. Anyway, so we got a deck of cards here. A very fine symbol on it. Our own little concoction of symbology. And I'm going to play a bit of a guessing game with you, ladies and gentlemen. Well, you're going to see me trying to attempt to guess something that Hillary number 2 here has wrong with her. Yes. And I'm going to try to guess what the common complaint is and how we might go about curing it with one of our marvellous concoctions here. Dawn's the suitcase. Yes, Dawn's the suitcase. Hillary. Number 2. Yeah, the cards. Yeah, this way. This. Oh no, it's very tempting. They're lovely people. But can you please select a card for me? Yes. A card. Yes. Don't show me the card. Pick a card. Any card. It's very good. She has fine acting skills. That's right, that's the one, yes. Lovely stuff, yes. It's going to be good, this, I can tell. Yes, so. What's wrong with you, Hillary? What is wrong? Right, okay. Yes. You acting all right? Feeling good? Don't know what's got. Sunshiny day. It's dark. Is it dark? Or have you gone blind? It's very dark. Oh, you've gone to sleep. No. You can't sleep. There's an owl. Trying to sleep, but you can't sleep. Sleepwalking. Insomnia. You're sleeping all the time. Ah, for goodness sake. Clock's ticking by, you're tired, you're gone to sleep. Still. What on earth is going on? I really can't guess this. The cure, anyway. Oh, I know what it is. You can't see in the dark. You can't see in the dark. You're eating a carrot. Yes! What about that? I am a bit of a genius, if I might say so myself. I knew it all along. Just playing with you there. Yeah. Anyway, so that's the first one. Seeing as I'm just warming up, it's a bit of an early morning, isn't it? Let's see if you can get another one for us. Yes, please. Yes. I'll do better this time, I promise. Maybe you two at home can have a go at this as well. You're probably doing better than I am. Yes, please. That one. I fixed that one. Oh, what is it going to be this time? Yes. Right. Oh, right. Okay, yes. I ain't got a clue. Yes. Seen something. She's seen something on the floor. What was it doing? It's moving. Is it wiggling and moving? Was it a wiggly thing? Wiggly thing. Was it a snake? Was it a snake? Yes. It was a snake. Has it been tickling you? Has it been tickling you? Oh, biting you. Yeah, biting you. Sorry. Yeah, biting. Yeah. Right, kill for the snake bite. Seen something in a tree. Picking it from a tree. Big and curvy. Bit like, it looks like a banana. But is it a banana? Oh, right. Looks like banana, but it's not banana. Oh, it's not a very nice banana. Bit underripe and bit green. Oh, it's a plantain, isn't it? Ah, of course, yeah, it's a plantain. Yeah, it's a plantain. Have you heard of a plantain before? Yeah, Caribbean cookery, that sort of stuff, innit? Yes. Very nice. Yes. Another one? Yeah, plantain. Very nice. Delicious and very good for snake bites, apparently. I don't have any plantain here. Maybe some of you folks at home do a bit of fancy cookery. You've got plantain in your house, have you? Yeah. Like a bit of spicy food, do you? Yes. I bet you do. Yeah. Yeah. You like the spicy food, don't you? Yeah. Is that what takes your voice away, the spicy food? Yes. All right then. Another card, please. Another card dans la table. Dans la table. Dans la tish. Yes, please. Yes, please. Card. Yes. Bit distracted by the camera, you see. Should have maybe done it as a hidden camera on the Clanker web. We'll get the technology someday. But for now. Oh, yes. Right then. Oh, yes. So what's wrong? What's wrong this time? Yeah. What is wrong? Right. Looking all right. Fire. Making pancakes. You burnt yourself. Yeah. Oh, what, your head as well? Oh, something to do with your hair? All right, yeah. So you're growing hair on your head. You've got hair on your head, but there's no hair here. You've lost your hair from the burn, yeah. All right, yeah. That's fair enough. As you do. The cure for it. It's the chicken dance. The birdie song. It's a flamingo. It's an ostrich. It's a bird, but it's a strangled bird. For goodness sake. So it's dead. The dead parrot. It's like Monty Python, isn't it? The dead parrot's dead. Yeah. Hang on a minute. Is it an old bird? From a long time ago? A bit Darwinian? Yeah, it's a dodo, isn't it? Yes, of course it is. Yes, that's right, yeah. All right, so dodo. And how's that helping out? You've got a little feather? A dodo feather. And you're tickling it on the bird. And the hair's grown back. Amazing. Who would have thought that? Let's have a look. Wow. Used for promoting regrowth of hair from burnt skin, massage hair follicles regularly. Wow, with a dodo feather. Who would have thought that? Who would have thought that, ladies and gentlemen? A dodo feather. Wow. So, it's potency of 94, a lifespan of 78, a smell of 21, and an ease of use of 64. Amazing stuff. Are you all cured now? You're all feeling all right, are you? Yes, that's good. What? Not. What? You hear that? She's got the hiccups, hasn't she? Always getting the hiccups. Each time we play this game, you seem to get the hiccups. What is it about this game? You need a cure for the hiccups? A cure for the hiccups. Well, we collected some cures for hiccups a bit back, didn't we? And we put them under H for hiccups, I'm sure. Let's have a look. Let's see if we've got any in here. Ah, look. You see, when we've been going around Hull and we've been gathering cures for hiccups from the good people of Hull. Right. Okay. So, Chris, who was 37 and from HU3, said that a fright was very good for hiccups. So, if we give you a fright... Yeah! Yeah? Yeah? Has that killed you? Has it? Ah. Well, Chris, it's in the compendium, but it's not quite working yet. Let's have a look. Keegan, you said the same thing. I can't scare her again. There's a lot of frightening ones, actually, to be fair there. 3 people. We had Angela of Brandzone, 22. And Keegan from HU4, scaring you as well. They don't like you, do they? Yeah. All right, here's another one. Let's try this, seeing as it's still gone. So, Emma, who's 29, and from Scrap Store, wherever that is, said something about standing on your head. Shall we see if anybody else said anything about standing on the head? Because I get a feeling there's a bit of a theme occurring here. Oh no, there's only one standing on the head. All right, go for it. Standing on the head. Here and now, on your head. On your head, please, Hillary. You can do it, girl. Yes, yes. Yes, yes, please. Yes. Do you need me to catch you? Yeah, take your hat. Yeah. 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 That's it. Yes. 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 Yeah. That's it. That'll do it. So, yeah, all right. That's enough. That's enough. Yes. Let's have a look. Yeah. On your seat. You're not the star of the show yet. A few years' time, you'll be taking over all of this. Yes, yeah. And relax. And... what? Can't believe it. Thought we had it then. Emma from the Scrap Store, you nearly had this solution. Right, let's have a look. Oh, Emma. Oh, Emma. Right, let's have a look then. It's all right, we're going to get him. Calm it down, keep it down. Relax, relax. Just hold it, that's it, right. So, Belle and Kaylee of Brandzone suggested you drink a glass of water. You might have to pretend on this one. Can you drink a glass of water? Yeah. Just imagine you have the water with the power of the mind. Power of the mind, yes. Yes, that's the one, yes. And yes, nice and steady. That's the one, yes, yes. And is it all gone? Nearly? Oh, yeah. And on the floor. And...
Oh, it's a QA!
QA! Yes! Wow! Yes. Thank you. So, thank you very much there, Belle and Kaylee, for suggesting that one. Much appreciated. So, what we'd like to do, if anybody else has cures similar to those, for curing the hiccups of my assistant here, number 2, she gets hiccups quite a lot. And I'm always looking for new cures, because the old ones seem to be wearing off. And no matter how many I accumulate, I can't seem to get enough. But if you want to maybe share with us a little cure, we might be able to give you a little free sample of our wares, yes. Cures that we've been collecting in these little things. Have you got the cards, please, for me, Hillary?
Sure.
Yes.
Sure.
Yes, please, yes. So if you can message us through the Klankadeck to #TheCureHull Yes, at Apus Fun. Twitter. Yeah, if you use the Twitterage. Yeah, that would be alright. The other option
What's that?
is you can send us a direct message through the Facebook thing, yes. We like the Facebook, don't we? It's nice and personal, yeah. To Apus Productions, yeah. Look us up and send us the cure. And one of these little free samples could be coming to you. Direct messaging only, please. That's the one. Yes. Thank you for your time, ladies and gentlemen. It's been a pleasure to talk with you through the beauty of the Klanka web and the Klanka channel. We'll be seeing you again soon, very shortly. Thank you. Yes, that's enough. That's enough. They've got the idea. Yes, thank you. Yes.
QA.
Yes.
It's QA.
Yes. I'm not the cure. They have the cure.
QA.
Yeah. To them, I want their cures. I'm not the cure. Yeah.
QA.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. QA.
QA.
Yes. 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 Thank you. Yes. Into the compendium. Yes. They'll come here into the compendium, and you'll get one of these little things. Delightful. Through the post. From my humble assistant here, number 2. She does all the postage and package. Yes. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. That's enough. Can we please wrap it there, please? Yes. Yes. No, not let's carry on. We actually want wrap, like finito. Yeah. Finito. Yeah. Cut. Yeah. 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 Bow. Yeah. Like that. You might not be in camera now, but yes. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Yes. That thing there. Yes. That's right. Right there. Thank you. Where do I get you from? You absolute muppet.